Hello, fourth graders. I was going to show you how we set up our first of 3 journals that we're going to be using during distance learning. For our first journal, I labeled the front. I put my name, then I wrote math, science, and social studies because we're going to use one journal for all 3 of those. Once you have that written, you're going to open it up. On this front page, you're going to write the word math really big, and then you can decorate it however you would like. You can add math symbols. I put my little emoji that says math is fun. Miss Gradassi even made a mistake, so I had to fix it and write over that. So this is for page 1. Page 1, we're labeling math. Once you have that, go ahead and open up. On page 2, and I did skip a page, and I'll show you why in just a second. On page 2, you're going to glue down the Solve graphic organizer notes that you received when you picked up your materials from school last week. So next on page 2, you're going to glue down the Solve graphic organizer notes. And of course, at any time, if you need to pause to give yourself a little bit of time to find your materials, find your glue stick, anything like that, feel free to do so. All right, so now I'm going to open it up. On page 3 and 4, I glued down my whole number place value chart on page 3. And on this side, I have my whole number and decimal place value chart. So the one that has these little dots called decimal points on the other side, that's over here on page 4. So that is why I skipped a page there in the beginning, because I wanted both of these to be on the same page when I opened it up. And mine might look a little bit different from yours. I printed mine at home, so mine doesn't look exactly the same size as yours. Some of my pictures might be in color. That is okay. It is the same materials that you have. Okay, so again, we're gluing down whole number place value chart and whole number and decimal place value chart. Once you have that, you're going to turn the page. On page 5, you're going to glue down our multiplication chart that you received. And on page 6, you're going to glue down the blank multiplication chart that you received. All right, now here on page 7, so we did an activity today where we looked at all different kinds of numbers that we have in our lives every day. So I made a circle in the very center of my page, and I labeled it with my name. So you'll put your name in the center of your circle. And then I just drew off, how many lines did I draw off? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I drew 6 lines. And in each one of those sections, I put a different fact about numbers that is true in my life. So for example, I have 2 children. My birthday is 1/4 for January 4th. My favorite number is 3. I have 2 older sisters. I graduated from college in 2015. And this is my 6th year of teaching, my sixth year at Ott, and my 6th year of teaching. So this is for page number 7. So boys and girls, once you can put any kind of facts that you want. They don't have to be exactly like mine. You can put down things like your birthday, how many dogs or cats, how many pets you have, how many people are in your family, how many cousins you have. It can be anything that is an important number to you. And once you have that, you're also welcome to add pictures. I don't have pictures of mine yet, but you are welcome to add pictures as well. So, boys and girls, that is how we set up our Math and Science and Social Studies journal so far today on the first day of school.